to Online Rock Lesson. My name is Marine and today I'm teaching you 3 different accompaniment for the left hand that you can use in different situations just like a ballad. Before we start, if you haven't done it yet, click on the button below to subscribe to this channel to make sure you never miss one video. Alright, so we're going to start by talking about the chords we're going to use for these accompaniments. So we have 4 chords. We're going to have C major, which is C, E, and G. And then we're going to have A minor, A, C, and E. We have F major, F, A, and C. And we also have G major, G, B, and D. Now, a very good exercise to make sure you learn everything about these chords is to play them with the inversion. So you have like, for the C major, this is the root position. So you have C, E, and G. But if I change the order, I get the first inversion, E, G, and C. And I can do it again. This is the second inversion, G, C, and E. So this would be a great exercise to just play all the inversion like this. And you can do it for every chord you learn. So for example, in the A minor, A, C, and E, we can change the order like this. And now you get C, E, and A. E, A, and C. And you can do it like this. Alright, so make sure you practice this for every chord because you need to know the notes and the different inversion when you play piano. Alright, so we're going to talk about the first accompaniment we're going to play in the left hand. So we're going to need the first note of the chord and the 5th note of the chord. So basically we have 1, 5, 1, and you do that twice. So these are going to be 8 notes and it's going to sound like this. Pretty easy, right? So it's the first note of the chord, the 5th note of the chord, and the 1st note of the chord. Twice. And you have it tied to the quarter note right after. And then from A minor, we have A minor. So it's A, the 1st, E, the 5th, and A, the 1st. And same thing on F, F, C, F, 1, 5, 1. And G, 1, 5, 1. And it sounds just amazing. So you have this. A minor. And G major. And I could add some chords on the right hand just to make it more harmony. Alright, so this was the first one. Now for the second one, we're going to use the same notes, but at the end we're going to add some rhythm here. So it's 1, 5, 1. But now we're going to go back to 5, 1, 5, 1, 5, and then we're going to change the chords. So it would sound like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, and to G. There you go. So 1, 5, 1, 5, 1, 5, 1, 5, 1. Same thing all over again. 1, 5, 1, 5, 1. And from G, with some chords here. A minor, F, and G. So there you go, you have it, the second variation. Alright, so for the last one, it's going to be a very interesting accompaniment and it's going to make you work a little bit with your technique here. So we're going to start with the 2 same notes, the 1 and the 5. But for the 3rd note, we're going to go all the way here to E, so it's going to be the 3rd of the chord. So 1, 5, and the 3rd here. just play between the 5 and the 3rd until the end of the measure. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and A minor, 1 and 2. The 3rd of A minor is C right here. Then we go to F. Same thing. Then to G. There you go. What about with chords now? A minor, F, and G. Alright, so there you go. It is so beautiful. So make sure you practice all these in different keys, different situation. Maybe you could play this on the left hand and have like a melody on the right hand or chords on the right hand. Alright, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Visit our website at onlinerocklesson.com for more information about the courses and the memberships. Alright, so have a good practice.